स्टूडेंट्स, सो टुडे आई एम नॉट गोइंग टू टीच केमिस्ट्री। आज मैं केमिस्ट्री पढ़ाने नहीं जा रहा हूँ। आज मैं कुछ सवाल आपसे पूछने जा रहा हूँ। आई एम गोइंग टू आस्क यू फ्यू क्वेश्चन विच आर वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट फॉर योर अपकमिंग एग्जाम, दैट इज IIT। आर यू रीडिंग NCERT? क्या आप NCERT पढ़ रहे हैं? नहीं। इफ़ यू आर अनेबल टू रीड NCERT, आपको क्या लगता है आप OP टंडन, सेंगेज वगैरह पढ़ लेंगे विदाउट रीडिंग NCERT? इफ़ यस, अगर आप पढ़ रहे हैं तो हाउ मेनी चैप्टर्स यू हैव कंप्लीटेड? आपने कितने चैप्टर कंप्लीट किया है? डू यू रिमेंबर इंपॉर्टेंट कॉन्सेप्ट्स, फॉर्मूली एंड इक्वेशंस? क्या आपको सारे इंपॉर्टेंट कॉन्सेप्ट पता है NCERT का? क्या आपको सारे फॉर्मूलाज याद है? डू यू नो हाउ टू अप्लाई द फॉर्मूला टू सॉल्व द डिफरेंट न्यूमेरिकल्स विच इज गिवन? क्या आपको इक्वेशंस याद है इनऑर्गेनिक के, ऑर्गेनिक के? सो मेनी इक्वेशंस आर देयर इन इनऑर्गेनिक केमिस्ट्री एज वेल एज ऑर्गेनिक. डू यू रिमेंबर? Do you have the confidence to face IIT Mains, which is slated to be held in the month of February, third week, 2021? If you are lacking, what's the way out? कैसे करिएगा? How you will do? If you are still thinking, क्या I have to do? You are at the wrong place at the wrong time. Work hard, but work smart also. आपको NCERT तो पहले सबसे पहले बेसिक बुक है NCERT पढ़नी ही होगी. इसके अलावा आप बहुत सारे बुक पढ़ सकते हैं. पढ़ने के लिए क्या है? किसी ने बहुत अच्छा कहा है, रीड वन बुक 10 times rather than 10 books one time. तो माई स्टूडेंट, माई डियर स्टूडेंट, इट विल बी ऑसम if you read NCERT 10 times rather than browsing through so many books, internet, Unacademy, Baizu and many other platforms. You will get distracted. Your focus will not be there. अगर focus नहीं रहेगा लाइफ में तो आपका एनर्जी scattered हो जाएगा. You will not be able to get the thing which you badly, which you which you need the most. तो where focus goes, energy flows. So you have to make sure that you are focused for your अल्टीमेट गोल, दैट इज IIT 2021. अगर आपके गोल्स में बर्निंग डिज़ायर है, इफ़ यू हैव द बर्निंग डिज़ायर टू अचीव योर गोल्स ऑफ बिकमिंग an IITian, the first step is to crack mains with absolutely 99 or above percentile. Second is that you have to write advance with full confidence and you have to know the subject very well. Not only chemistry, you have to master physics and maths, which will test your mettle in the upcoming exam. So my dear students, it is an advice from Sandeep sir, mind it. First, you must have already created a goal. Do you have a written statement what you want to achieve? What rank or percentile you are hoping? Do write it in a piece of paper nicely. Visualize it where you want to go. If you want to go to IIT Madras or IIT Mumbai or IIT Delhi, visualize it that you are standing in front of the campus and everyone is happy and so you are. So visualization is very, very important. Are you able to imagine yourself? Imagination भी आपको करनी होगी. तो you have to do imagination also that you are made for IIT. Or if you want to really become a very good engineer, I think there is no other place better than IITs. And I think a lot of IITs has come up, but old is gold, as they say. IIT Madras, IIT Mumbai, IIT Delhi, and recent so many IITs has come up. But these are the IITs, IIT Kanpur, IIT Kharagpur. These are the topmost IITs of India. And if you are an IITian, you will become a big brand. You will become a big brand and everyone will look towards you. And your life will go to a next level. Your life will go to a next level. So my dear student, work really hard. Don't get distracted. These are very useful times for you. Focus your energy towards achieving your goals. Revise. Repetition is very important. If you repeat the things, your confidence go to the next level. And when you are confident, life becomes an easy journey and you will do whatever you want, because at the top ladder there is no competition. So think big, aim high and your life will go to the next level. But don't forget some basic books. And as you know, Sandeep sir loves NCERT books. Okay, there are many trainers who will say, read this, read that. Make sure that you go to the basics first. Let your basics be such that you can go to the next level. And all the very best for your upcoming exam, student. This is Sandeep sir signing off, praying for your grand success in life. Thank you so much.